This is a demonstration of how to reinstall Proloquo2go app if your student or child has deleted it off your iPad. So go to the App Store and do a search for Proloquo2go. You're signed in to your iTunes account. So I'm just going to download it from the cloud. So that will place it on my iPad, and I'll show you how to restore from backup. And the backup of Proloquo2go is done on the device and the cloud. Once Proloquo2go has fully loaded, just tap on Open and Get Started. And let's just go to I am a new user. You can set it up this way. Next, choose
Hi,
voice.
I'm Ryan.
Always use crescendo vocabulary, intermediate core. We'll choose the landscape orientation, and I'm just going to set it to the default grid. However, we will restore from backup. Agree and continue and finish, and there we have our new user named Barb. But I'm going to go to the options button, and I'm going to go to backup, and I'm going to restore from backup. And let's show remote backups. So Barb's crescendo backups, and there's one from Sunday 24th September 2017, or I could go to a more recent one, but all the backups are going to be available to you depending upon what user you have on your device. So let's just go to this one, restore, and it's pulling it in. So I could restore it to a new user or restore Barb. And there is my backup from 2020. And I am good to go.